let's talk more about the markets. We're joined by Rudramurthy B, who's from Vanchana Investments, who's joining us. Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Rudramurthy. Thank you so much for joining us. Rudramurthy, firstly, let's talk about the markets here. I mean, it's, of course, on the back of elevated crude prices that we see this drawdown happening. And the crude, there are no signs of cooling off on account of the escalating tensions between US and Iran. But as far as the technicals are concerned, we slipped below the 700 mark, though we have managed to recover, because as we speak, we have still managed to recover the 23,700 mark. What are the levels that you're tracking on Nifty? And Nifty Bank has also seen a lot of drubbing from the last few consecutive sessions that Nifty Bank has been reeling under pressure. What are the levels that you're tracking for Nifty Bank as well?
Good afternoon, Ankita. Thanks for having me in the show. See, Nifty breaking 23,800 support is definitely not a good sign for very short term. And also Bank Nifty has broken crucial support at 57,000. Yes, if you are a very short term trader, these are crucial supports which market has broken, and better to stay on the sidelines and wait for new opportunity and be very sector specific and stock specific in this market. If you are a medium to longer time frame investor, these are great opportunities to buy the right stocks. Overall, if you see the result season, definitely they were good. And if you see macroeconomic geopolitical tensions, crude oil now inching above $100 per barrel, and also volatility index going up. And even if you see bond yields in US, it is now above 4.7%. So these are all certain concerns definitely on the short term move of market. And I will wait for dips to buy this market, and better to be on the sidelines. These are grinding periods where you have to save your money and wait for right opportunity. Be very sector specific and stock specific, and these are times to stay on the sidelines if you are an eternal bull and wait for better opportunities.
Point taken, Rudramurthy. Wait for the right opportunity and be very sector and stock specific. And speaking of which, what are going to be your picks for today? Would you recommend, would you go long on any of the counters, or is this really the time to short the market?
Ankita, definitely I will stay away from crude sensitive sectors and be more onto the domestic consumption themes, and be more into something like financials where you have more valuation comfort also. So two stocks which I am recommending right now, one is Manappuram. This stock has given a clear breakout above levels of 335, and stock has definitely held on even on bad market days. So for me, this stock is headed towards 380 to 400 zone, available in future. Every dip is a buying opportunity in Manappuram. Keep a stop loss of 335 on closing basis, and look at targets of 380, 400 to come on Manappuram. Second stock which I really like is Hero MotoCorp. The stock has given a clear breakout above levels of 5,000 and still long way to go on the upside. Someone who wants to build a long-term portfolio also, you can't miss Hero MotoCorp in your portfolio. Even for short-term trader, one can go long in Hero MotoCorp. Look at initial targets of 5,300 and then 5,500 to come. Keep a strict stop loss of 4,900. It's a 1:4 kind of a risk reward trade. So a buy on Manappuram and a buy on Hero MotoCorp.
All right.